Hey, what's up? I'm at the boat today and just took the shrink wrap off, and today I'll be working on these pulpits here. All the pulpits leak at the 3 points they're attached to on the deck. And so I've taken the bolts off underneath, and I'll take this off and then rebed all those fittings. You can see over here, I already did it. Took it off. There it is, sitting upright. So I clean this off real good, the base and the holes. Here you can see the end result. And I'll show you my process, how I did this on the other side. But this is a nice clean application. I'm using the UV 4000 3M sealant. So this is flexible, bonds to multiple materials. UV resistant because this will be out directly in the sun, and it should last for a long time. You can see I already took the bolt off there. Really hard to see up in there, but there's a leak. You can tell by the water damage on the lining. Definitely that one's leaking real bad. Let's see how this one goes. Let's see if it comes off. Not to fall off the boat. Oh, success. You can see here, that was the really leaky one. Definitely no sealant there. I'll clean all these out. All right, so you can see I've scraped off all the old sealant on one of these holes. Get it really clean, wipe it down with acetone. And then I'll come back with this, like a 120 grit sandpaper, and just rough up the area underneath the fitting so it gets like a little extra grip on that. You can also see put a slight bevel on that hole so the silicone, or the sealant goes in there. I'm using 4000 UV 3M sealant. You can see here too, my fittings have all been cleaned. I brushed those down with bronze wool and cleaned these with bronze wool, and these are ready to go. All right, so after I've got them cleaned and wiped down with acetone for the final time, I'll take a piece of tape covering the whole area, cut out the holes. I'm gonna dry fit this and then cut out the area where the fitting goes, so that when I'm messing with the extra caulk that spills out, it doesn't go all over the place. All right, so next I just cut out around the fitting gently. All right, then I go around with a liberal amount of caulk. Close to the hole so that the extra goes in where I beveled it. So just do a liberal amount all the way around. This one had a little spacer, so I sanded that down and cleaned it. Put that down right over top of that hole. All right, so just for extra precaution, I do a little around each screw. Make sure that it gets into the hole. All right, you can see little bits on the bolt. I just wipe that off. Get these on. Pretty much tighten it almost, well, until it stops with your hand. This makes it easier. Get those snug. I did this last one. Those are all really snug. And I just come back and give it one good solid turn. Get it tight. You can see they're all tightened down. Squeezed out most of the caulk, but there should be a lot inside the hole. And what I do is just carefully use my finger and just kind of smear that. There. And all the way around. That's where the tape comes in handy. There we go, all done.